edin. Yarım edin.
This historical drama series has sparked a craze in Pakistan. Turkish broadcaster TRT's show Dirilis Ertugrul, or Resurrection Ertugrul, has gone viral in the country after it began airing on state-run Pakistan television. The story is based on 13th century Turkish historical figure Ertugrul Ghazi and his struggle to find his Kayi tribe a homeland.
Burada devlet benim.
We wanted to find out why many Pakistani viewers just can't get enough of the show. So we asked them.
Assalamu alaikum Kardesh. I love this Ertugrul season a lot because
it's nice, it's clean, there is justice and honor.
It teaches about great Islamic values, about Muslim unity and respect for elders, respect for women. It doesn't objectify women like other mainstream media.
There's a lot of lessons in every single episode.
it creates awareness among young boys and girls about our glorious past.
I can definitely watch Urdu 1,000,000 times if I can.
It lightens the way that Muslims rule across the world.
It is a very interesting show which promotes Islamic values, Turkish values, and promotes Muslim culture.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Its dialogues are meaningful with great philosophical depth.
Dirilis Ertugrul not only shows Islamic values, Turkish culture, but it also tells us that we have our history, our heroes, and we can learn from it. Eyvallah kardeş.
Çok seviyorum Ertugrul Bey. Eyvallah.
Adaletle abad olmayan devlet yıkılmaya mahkumdur sultanım.
Sen ne?
But the series isn't just gaining traction in Pakistan. We received countless testimonies from fans in Bangladesh, Kashmir and India who also wanted to share their love for Dirilis Ertugrul.
I love Dirilis Ertugrul.
And while many people are just watching the show for some family-friendly entertainment, others are looking at Ertugrul Bey and his journey as a source of inspiration.
Eyvallah.
So why do you watch Dirilis Ertugrul?
Gerçeği söyle.